Now, what do you mean by reflection? This is a mirror. This is the shining portion. If the ray of light is incident obliquely means inclined. Obliquely, this is the normal. This is called as the incident ray. This is the normal, means this is the incident ray. This is the incident point. Okay. A perpendicular to the surface, perpendicular to this surface. To this surface is called as a normal. Normal word का मतलब, normal word in future कई बार आएगा. उसका meaning simple होता है, perpendicular to the surface. Okay. This is the reflected ray. When the ray of light turns back into the same medium, when the ray of light turns back into the same medium, it is called as reflection. The actual lines are the return of the light into the same medium after striking a surface is called as reflection. This is the incident ray. This is the reflected ray. The angle made by the incident ray with the normal is called as the angle of incidence. The angle made by the reflected ray with the normal is called as angle of reflection. Okay, is that clear? What are the laws of reflection? What is the first law of reflection? Yes, the first law of reflection states that the angle of incidence is equal to the angle of reflection. That's the first law. Okay. Second law states that the incident ray, the reflected ray, and the normal lies in the same plane. What do you mean by same plane? ये board एक ही plane है. So it lies in the same plane. We can do an experiment to verify it. This is a shining surface like a mirror. Now I am going to put two pins over here. Okay, these are the two pins. If I name it as P1, P2, if these pins are named as P1, P2, okay. Now from here, if I keep any surface in between, now from here, this is like a cardboard I keep in between. Now from here, I am going to view these pins. Okay, मैं यहाँ से ये pins को view कर रहा हूँ. So I am going to keep the third pin over here. The third pin will be kept in such a manner that I should not be able to see these two pins. Means ये दोनों pin ये third pin के पीछे छुप जाना चाहिए. This is the third pin. Next, I'll keep the fourth pin such that all these three pins should be right behind this fourth pin. This is my fourth pin. Now, if I join these rays, okay, we come to know, and if I draw perpendicular over here, this is the paper. This is a reflecting surface. यहाँ पे नीचे मैंने paper stick किया है. Paper के ऊपर pins रखा, इधर pins रखा, और then we, after completing this experiment, I draw perpendicular at this point to this surface. What do I come to know? This I call it as the angle of incidence. This I call it as the angle of reflection. So if I draw an observation table like this of angle I and angle R, that is angle of incidence and angle of reflection, I find that अगर angle of incidence 30 है, तो angle of reflection भी 30 है. If the angle of incidence is 40, angle of reflection is also 40. If the angle of incidence is 50, angle of reflection is 50. This is a practical experiment. What does this experiment helps us to prove? The first law, that the angle of incidence is equal to the angle of reflection. What else does this practical helps us to prove? ये पेपर था ना, पेपर के ऊपर मैंने ये सब रेज बनाया हुआ है. So पेपर के ऊपर सब रेज बनाया है, मतलब incident ray, reflected ray, and the normal lies in the same plane. So I have also proved the second law. Is this clear, Tushar? ध्यान देना. If this angle is 50 degree, can you tell me what is the angle of incidence?
50.
ये angle 50 degree है. Can you tell me angle of incidence कितना है? 40 degree. Why? Because angle of incidence is always measured with the normal, not with the surface. यानी ये angle 40 degree. तो angle of reflection कितना है?
40.
40.
No, 40.
Angle of reflection is also 40 degree. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
सरफेस के साथ क्यों ढूंढे? क्योंकि सरफेस जो होता है ना, वो रफ सरफेस भी हो सकता है, पर जो नॉर्मल रहता है वो रफ नॉर्मल नहीं होता है. इसलिए एंगल ऑफ इंसिडेंस, रिफ्लेक्शन, ऑल दीस एंगल्स आर मेजर्ड विद द नॉर्मल. ओके, नॉर्मल के साथ ही मेजर करते हैं, वेदर इट इज अ प्लेन सरफेस और यस. ऑन द पेज नंबर 150, the real image is formed due to the actual intersection of the reflected rays. If after reflection, somehow these two rays meet, then the image shows so form after reflection. When these rays meet, actual में meet, then it is called as the real image. But अगर तुम्हारा rays meet करता ही नहीं है, okay, they doesn't meet, means they are diverging. They are diverging. So you draw it on the other side. जहां पे ray of light जा ही नहीं सकता, because ये surface है, इसके पीछे ray of light जाएगा ही नहीं. But you imagine that they come from here, and when you get an image over here, okay, जहां पे ray of light गया ही नहीं, then it is called as a virtual image. Okay, real image can be seen on a screen. Virtual image cannot be seen on a screen. Okay, real image is inverted, हमेशा उल्टा दिखाई देता है. Real image उल्टा रहता है. Virtual image हमेशा erect होता है, सीधा दिखाई देता है. मतलब तुमको ये पेन रियल इमेज में ऐसे दिखाई देगा उल्टा, बट वर्चुअल इमेज में ये पेन ऐसे ही दिखाई देगा, सिर्फ उसका साइज इंक्रीज हो जाएगा. Either it will be magnified or diminished. This is called magnification, increase in size, diminish, smaller size. Okay. So this is a mirror, this is a point. How to make an image of a point object? Now from here I am going to draw two rays. To form the image, I am going to draw two rays. Next, this is the normal. This is the angle of incidence. I will measure this angle of incidence. Similar angle I will mark over here. This is the reflected ray. So ये मेरा incident ray, ये reflected ray. Then again I will draw normal over here. Again I will draw the reflected ray over here. This is the angle of incidence. This will be the angle of reflection. Okay, now you notice it. These two rays after reflection, how are these two rays after reflection? Are they meeting each other or diverging rays?
Diverging.
Yes, please. These are meeting each other or they are diverging rays?
Diverging rays.
They are diverging. So that's the reason they cannot form a real image. But if I draw them backwards, I find that they meet at some point. So if this is the point P, the image of this point P dash over here. Okay. What you find after doing this experiment is that the distance of this point from this mirror, whatever this distance is the same distance of the point from this mirror. Okay. Are you clear? तो ये जितना distance रहेगा वही distance इधर रहेगा. Okay. Now using this concept, we can learn a shortcut of drawing a ray diagram. Like now this is again a mirror. ठीक है. अब मेरे पास this is an object AB, मुझे इसका image बनाने का है. तो अब मैं ना ये trick use करने वाला हूँ. क्या trick use करने वाला हूँ? इस point का distance from this mirror, whatever that distance is, same distance is the distance of image from the mirror. Now, this is the mirror. So what I will do is, I will draw a dotted line here, measure this distance. Assume this is 3 centimeter. मैं पहले से यहाँ पे 3 सेंटीमीटर पे A डैश मार्क करूँगा. मतलब मैं पहले से इमेज क्रिएट कर रहा हूँ. ये मैं ट्रिक बता रहा हूँ डायग्राम बनाने का. नेक्स्ट, ये जितना डिस्टेंस है 5 सेंटीमीटर, सेम डिस्टेंस इधर मार्क करेंगे 5 सेंटीमीटर B डैश. दिस विल बिकम माय इमेज. ओके, अब मेरे को रे डायग्राम सिर्फ कंप्लीट करना है. सो आई विल ड्रॉ हियर. दिस इज माय इंसिडेंट रे. ठीक है. फिर बाद में रूलर इस पे रखना है और इस पे रखना है. इधर डार्क, रूलर इस पे रखना है, इस पे रखना है. इधर डार्क और इधर डॉटेड. ठीक है. नेक्स्ट, यहां से मैंने एक रे बना दिया. फिर रूलर इस पे रखना है और इस पे रखना है. इधर डॉटेड आएगा और इधर डार्क आएगा. ये ट्रिक है. ठीक है. सो दिस इज माय इंसिडेंट रे. दिस बिकम्स माय रिफ्लेक्टेड रे एंड these reflected rays are diverging. तो मैंने बैकवर्ड ड्रॉ करेंगे तो अपने को ये इमेज मिल जाएगा. ठीक है. इनफैक्ट एक रे नहीं बनाने का, अपने को 2 रेज बनाने का. तो यहाँ पे एक और रे बनाने का है. दिस पॉइंट, फिर इसको इससे ज्वाइन करो. तो ये पॉइंट से 2 रेज आया. मैंने ट्रिक यूज किया. और ये उसका रिफ्लेक्टेड रे है, उसको बैकवर्ड ड्रॉ करके ए डैश मिला, ए का इमेज ए डैश, वैसे बी का इमेज बी से भी अभी मैं दो रेज बना रहा हूं, ठीक है, ये बी का रेज है और उसका बैकवर्ड ड्रॉ किया। क्लियर विद दिस?
Yes, sir.
लाइक एम्बुलेंस पे, एम्बुलेंस के स्क्रीन पे एम्बुलेंस उल्टा दिखा रहता है, व्हाई इट इज रिटन इन्वर्टेड?
Because of lateral inversion.
When you are looking from the rear view mirror, अगर आगे का ड्राइवर rear view mirror से देखेगा ना तो उसका रिफ्लेक्शन उसको lateral inverted दिखाई देगा, तो एम्बुलेंस उसको क्लियरली दिखाई देगा। ओके, नाउ इन lateral inversion, for example, if I write P over here, textbook example ले रहा हूँ, and if I draw these reflected rays P dash, so इस पॉइंट का इमेज इधर आ गया, इस पॉइंट का इमेज इधर आ गया, so this P is going to look to me like this. That means मेरे को मिरर के अंदर P का lateral inversion दिखाई देगा। Is that clear? Yes. The first characteristic is the image formed by a plane mirror has following characteristic. It is upright or erect, मतलब मुझे सीधा दिखाई देता है, यानी अगर मैं मिरर के सामने खड़ा हूँ तो मेरे को मैं मिरर के अंदर सीधा खड़ा दिखूंगा, उल्टा नहीं दिखूंगा। Next, it's a virtual image of the same size as the object and laterally inverted. If I will see myself on the mirror, I will see myself on the mirror, I will see myself erect, virtual, ठीक है, on the as the same size, जितना मेरा साइज है मिरर के ऊपर मुझे सेम साइज नजर आएगा, एंड laterally inverted यानी लेफ्ट टू राइट और राइट टू लेफ्ट नजर आएगा, ठीक है। My right hand will be over there as a left hand and my left hand will be over there as a right hand. Okay. So I will be seeing myself as laterally. Yes. If theta is the angle between the mirrors, if I keep two mirrors, you must have seen this happening in different. तुम अगर शेव करने या शेव करने नहीं, हेयर कट करने जाते हो सलून में, तो तुमको वहां पे दो मिरर्स दिखाई देंगे। Even if you sit over here, okay, you see multiple images of yourself. यहाँ पे एक मिरर लगाया रहता है, इधर एक मिरर लगाया रहता है, तो what you see is when you sit in that saloon, you see multiple image of yourself on these mirrors. Okay, that all depends on the angle between these mirrors. Say everything happens due to the angle. The formula is if theta is the angle between the mirrors, then n is equal to 360 degree upon n. 360 upon theta, okay, theta between the mirrors, then n is equal to 360 upon theta, इतने number of images form हो जाएंगे if the object is placed asymmetrically between the mirrors. What do you mean by asymmetrically? You can see that right now you are sitting very close to one of the mirror. You're not sitting at the angle bisector. In this saloon, you're not sitting at the angle bisector of that mirror. So if you're sitting asymmetrically in between the mirrors, then n is equal to 360 upon theta. That many number of images will be formed. But if you're sitting symmetrically, then one less image is formed. n minus 1 images are formed. Is that clear with this? Again?
Yes.
Understood this part? Number of यहाँ पे n का value n ही रहेगा, पर number of images will become n minus 1. One less image will be formed. For example, right now when you are sitting, you are getting 5 images. Symmetrically बैठोगे तो यहाँ पे कहाँ पे, अगर symmetrically यानी exact बीच में बैठोगे, then you are going to get 4 images. Okay, तो अगर यहाँ पे 5 image थे तो यहाँ पे 4 image रहेंगे, ठीक है। Example के लिए, if theta is 72 degree, so what is n is equal to 360 upon 72, 36 2s are 10 upon 2 यानी 5 image. n is equal to 5 कब आएगा? When you are sitting asymmetrically, and n number of images क्या आएगा? n minus 1 यानी 5 minus 1 यानी 4 इमेज आएगा when you are sitting symmetrical. Is this clear to you?
Yes, sir.
Mark करना. For two mirrors kept parallel to each other, an infinite number of images are formed. Infinite. अगर ये दोनों mirrors parallel रहेगा ना, so there will be infinite number of images formed. Okay, because there will be many number of reflections that will take place. Okay. Next, page number 156. What happens if the mirrors are kept perpendicular to each other? For two mirrors kept perpendicular to each other, three images are formed for an object kept in between them. Why three images? N is equal to 360 upon 90. यानी कितना आएगा? N is equal to 4 आया. Now, if you are sitting, these are the two mirrors kept perpendicular to each other. If you are sitting right in between, then there will be a possibility of three images that will be formed. Why? Because you are sitting symmetrically. Symmetrically यानी इसके angle bisector पे ही बैठे हो. तो number of images क्या आता है? n minus 1 यानी 4 minus 1 यानी 3 images are formed. Okay, वो तीन image तुमको कहाँ पे नजर आएंगे? तुमको these three images will be seen at these points. एक इधर एक इधर एक इधर. टेक्स्ट में उस चीज का एक्सप्लेनेशन दिया. Uses of plane mirror. The most common and wide use is as looking glass in the optician's room to increase the effective length of the room, in the barber shop for seeing the hair at the back of your head, पीछे का बाल देखने के लिए. In periscope, two parallel mirrors, each inclined at 45 degree with vertical, are placed facing each other. Periscope पता है? Have you ever seen a periscope? पेरिस्कोप यानी तुमको इन्वर्टेड चीजें देखनी होती है, अगर अंदर देखना होता है जो सबमरीन्स वगैरह में लगता है. ठीक है. In a kaleidoscope, three plane mirrors inclined with each other at 60 degree are used. If small colored bangles are kept between the mirrors, beautiful hexagonal patterns are seen. Kaleidoscope यानी this is a kind of an instrument. ऐसे बॉक्स रहेगा, hollow box, cylindrical box. उसके अंदर mirrors are placed at 60 degree. अंदर बैंगल्स रहेंगे. तो when you look through that lens over here, you see many different shapes, designers and shapes formed over there. That is called kaleidoscope. In solar heating devices such as solar cooker, solar water heater, etc., plane mirror is used to reflect the incident light rays from the sun on the substance to be heated. Is this clear?
Yes, sir.
Now, we are now going to the next topic, that is spherical mirrors. First we did plane mirrors, now it is the spherical mirrors. Now in spherical mirror, the reflecting surface which is a part of a sphere. Definition: a reflecting surface which is part of a sphere is called a spherical mirror. There are two types of spherical mirrors. One is a concave spherical mirror, another is the convex spherical mirror. Now how to understand the difference between concave and convex? If the outside surface is silvered, okay, yeah, and the inside surface is shining, polished, which is used as a reflecting surface. The inside surface is polished and reflecting surface. Then it is called as a concave mirror. This is an example of a concave mirror. When the inside surface is silvered, made opaque. Opaque यानी यहाँ पे ray of light reflect नहीं होगा. But here this is outside surface is reflecting. Outside surface is reflecting. Then it is called as convex reflecting surface, spherical mirrors. Okay. Next is center of curvature. Now I am taking an example of a concave surface. This is the center of the. This is the center of the mirror. It's the center of the sphere of which this mirror forms a part. So what is center of curvature? It is the center of the sphere of which this mirror forms a part. That is called as center of curvature. Next is the radius of curvature. This radius of curvature का definition आएगा. It is the radius of the sphere of which this surface forms a part. Okay. Next is the distance. This distance is radius. A line joining the center of curvature and the optical center of the mirror. Now this is the concave mirror. So this has an optical center over here. This is called as an optical center. A line joining this optical center and the center of a curvature. This straight line joining this is called as a principal axis. This straight line joining is called as a principal axis. Okay. Focus. Whenever the rays of light are parallel to the principal axis, after reflection, it passes to a particular point on the principal axis. All these points, all these rays meet at a particular point on the principal axis. That is called as a principal focus. For example, in your day-to-day life, if you take a magnifying glass, keep it under sunlight, okay? If you keep it under sunlight and नीचे paper रखा है और उसका एक point form हो रहा है paper के ऊपर, after some time that paper starts burning. Why? Because all the heat and light, after it passes through the magnifying glass, all the heat and light is focused at that point. तो सारा का सारा heat एक ही point पे आ रहा है ना, इतना सारा heat एक ही point पे आएगा तो paper burn करना चालू कर देगा, ठीक है? So that is an example of focus. So how will I get a focus? When the rays of light are parallel to this principal axis, after reflection, they meet at a point on principal axis. That point is called as principal focus. The distance of this principal focus from this optical center is called as focal length. What is the relation of focal length with the radius? This is the radius and this is the focal length. What is the relation of focal length and the radius? यहाँ से यहाँ तक radius है. Focal length is half of radius. Is this clear?
Yes, sir.
Now, how to draw the object at infinity? क्या करने का? पहले principal axis बनाने का, rounder यहाँ पे रखने का. On a rounder, take a distance of 5 cm or 6 cm. Let us take a distance of 6 cm. देखो, सबसे पहले rounder पे 6 नहीं लेना है. Ruler से यहाँ पे C, फिर 3 cm पे F और फिर 3 cm पे P. ये 3 points mark करोगे, okay? तो रूलर से प्रिंसिपल एक्सिस पे C, F और P ये 3 पॉइंट मार्क करना है. राउंडर C पे रखना है. टेक अ रेडियस टिल P, ड्रॉ एन आर्क. दिस इज व्हाट इज कॉल्ड एज कॉनकेव मिरर. पहला पार्ट. नेक्स्ट, ऑब्जेक्ट इज एट इंफिनिटी. इंफिनिटी पे ऑब्जेक्ट यानी ऑब्जेक्ट इज फार अवे ऑन दिस साइड. मुझे दिखाई नहीं दे रहा किधर है, तो वहां से ऑब्जेक्ट नहीं दिखाई देगा, पर उधर से आने वाला रेज दिखाई देगा. So these are the rays of the rays which are coming from an object at infinity. When the rays are parallel to principal axis, after reflection it passes through the principal focus. So these are the reflected rays. So when the object is at infinity, where is the image formed? At F. तो इसका image किधर form हो गया? At F. ठीक है? अब उसका nature बताओ. Nature यानी is this an image, real image, virtual image? कौन से टाइप का इमेज बना हुआ है? Yes, tell me, real image है कि virtual है?
Real.
कैसे पता चला real है?
Because
See, the image is not formed on the other side. Image is formed जहाँ पे rays of light meet हो रहा है. So it is a real image. Real रहेगा तो compulsory inverted word आता ही है. Real, inverted and point image is formed. So the nature is real, inverted and point image. Next, how to draw this ray diagram when the object is at C? Once again, 3 centimeter के distance पे ruler रखने का, C mark करो, F mark करो, P mark करो. Rounder इस पे रखना, इतना radius लेना है, draw an arc. This is your concave mirror. Okay. Now the object is at C. Sorry, when the object is beyond C, sorry for that, when the object is beyond C, first ray parallel to the principal axis. अब ये parallel ray कैसे बनाते हैं? ये मैंने object 1 centimeter का बनाया ना, मैंने ये object 1 centimeter है, इस पे भी 1 centimeter मार्क करो, रूलर रख के 1 centimeter मार्क करो, ये हो गया parallel rays. When the ray of light is parallel to the principal axis, after reflection passes through the principal focus. यानी रूलर इस पे रखना है, ज्वाइन करना है. This is my first ray. First ray is when the ray of light is parallel to the principal axis, after reflection passes through the principal focus. Second ray, first ray का उल्टा. When the ray of light passes through the principal focus, tell me. When the ray of light is passing through the principal focus, yes. After reflection passes through the parallel to the principal axis. Whenever these two rays meet, this is my image. So this is my incident ray and these are my reflected rays. So where is the image formed? Image is formed between
center of curvature and focus.
Between C and F. ठीक है, मैं यहीं पे लिख देता हूँ. Between C and F. इमेज इज फॉर्म बिटवीन सी एफ एंड सी एंड एफ. अब किस टाइप का इमेज फॉर्म हो गया? ये ऑब्जेक्ट है और ये मेरा इमेज है. ये ऑब्जेक्ट ए बी है और ये इमेज ए डैश बी डैश है. किस टाइप का इमेज फॉर्म हो गया बताओ? व्हाट इज दिस इमेज? रियल, इन्वर्टेड एंड डिमिनिश्ड. डिमिनिश्ड यानी छोटा साइज का. ठीक है, नेक्स्ट. थर्ड इज object at C. I am drawing the next diagram, that is object is at C. Now, ruler C 3 सेंटीमीटर पे F, 3 सेंटीमीटर पे P. Can you see that?
Yes, sir.
राउंडर इस पे रखने का, इतना रेडियस लो, कट एन आर्क. दिस इज योर कॉन्केव मिरर. ऑब्जेक्ट इज एट सी. ये 1 सेंटीमीटर है, इधर भी 1 सेंटीमीटर मार्क करो. फर्स्ट रे पैरेलल टू द प्रिंसिपल एक्सिस. आफ्टर रिफ्लेक्शन passes through the principal focus. Second ray passing through the principal focus. After reflection parallel to the principal axis. Now notice this, the image should be formed on C itself, but तुम्हारा अगर तुम ऐसे बनाओगे तो C पे नहीं आएगा. यानी टीचर को इजीली पता चल जाएगा तुम्हारा डायग्राम रॉन्ग है. अब तुमको शॉर्टकट बता रहा हूँ ये डायग्राम ड्रॉ करने का. दिस इज C F P. राउंडर इस पे रखना है. दिस इज कॉन्केव मिरर. अब इसका शॉर्टकट सुनना कैसे करना है. When the object is at C, इमेज इधर ही बनना चाहिए ना, तो इमेज पहले ही बना देंगे. इमेज इज एट C. मैंने ये 1 सेंटीमीटर था, ये भी मैंने 1 सेंटीमीटर बनाया. इधर भी ऊपर 1 और नीचे 1 मार्क करो. पहला रे पासिंग थ्रू प्रिंसिपल फोकस, सेकंड रे पासिंग थ्रू द प्रिंसिपल एक्सिस. इसको इससे ज्वाइन करना है और इधर ज्वाइन करना है. यानी दिस इज माय इंसिडेंट रे, दिस बिकम्स माय रिफ्लेक्टेड रे. मेरा डायग्राम एग्जैक्टली करेक्ट है. ठीक है, क्योंकि हमने चीट किया है. हमने ऑब्जेक्ट और इमेज एक साथ बना दिया है. ठीक है, so this is a cheat that you can do to get the correct image. So image is at C. Now what kind of an image is this? This is again a real image.
Real image and inverted.
Real, inverted and same size. Same size as the object. Okay. Next, fourth diagram. Object between C and F. Now, this is where I am keeping an object between C and F. First ray parallel to the principal axis. फिर इस पॉइंट को F से ज्वाइन करना है. रूलर C इधर और इधर रखना है. सेकेंड इधर और इधर रूलर रखना है. Now, wherever these two rays meet, we get an image. So this is my object. This is my image. So where is the image formed? Image is formed beyond C. Image is formed beyond C. Now tell me, what is the nature?
Real, inverted.
Real, inverted and
magnified.
why it is magnified?
Magnified.
See, this was a point image. ये diminished है. ऑब्जेक्ट से छोटा यानी डिमिनिश्ड, ऑब्जेक्ट का सेम साइज, दिस वाज सेम साइज बट यहाँ पे साइज बढ़ गया इमेज का, सो व्हाट विल आई राइट हियर?
Magnified.
Fifth, object at F. When the object is at F, first ray parallel to the principal axis passes through the principal focus. Second ray passing through the principal focus. First ray parallel to the principal axis passing through the principal focus. Second ray passing through the principal focus after reflection parallel जाता है. पर passing through principal focus after reflection parallel बना ही नहीं सकते क्योंकि ये लेंस इतना, ये मिरर इतना ही है. So what is to be done? Third ray use करना. Third ray कौन सा है? Passing through the center, यानी रूलर इस पे और इस पे रखना है, रूलर इधर और इधर रखना है. So this is my incident ray and this itself becomes my reflected ray. So first ray parallel to the principal axis after reflection passes through the principal focus. Second ray बना नहीं सकते, passing through principal focus after reflection parallel नहीं बना सकते, तो इसलिए अपने third ray use किया. Third ray यानी क्या? When the ray of light passes through the center, when this ray of light passes through the center, after reflection passes through the same point without any change in direction. Now, if you notice it, these are parallel rays. या नहीं, ये parallel rays, parallel line का definition है, they meet at infinity. Parallel rays का definition है, they meet at infinity. या नहीं, image किधर form होएगा? Image is at infinity. Behind mirror नहीं form हो रहा है. Please don't make a mistake. It's not behind mirror. It is formed at infinity on the same side. Now tell me, कौन सा image है? Real की virtual है? It's a real image. Why it is a real image? Because it is formed on the same side. इधर ही form हो रहा है. इधर ही form होने वाला है. ठीक है? Real. Real रहेगा तो obviously inverted आता है. And highly magnified. Okay. Last diagram. Now last diagram, object between F and P. F and P के बीच में ऑब्जेक्ट है. Once again, C, F, and this is P. Object is between F and P. First ray parallel to the principal axis, passing through the principal focus. Second ray बना नहीं सकते. Third ray passing through center, यानी रूलर इस पे रखना है, इस पे रखना है. This is incident ray and this is reflected ray. First ray parallel after reflection passing through principal focus. Second ray passing through center, straight जाएगा without any change in direction. Now if you notice it, these are diverging rays. Diverging rays यानी ये इधर तो कभी meet नहीं हो सकता, तो अपन किधर meet करेंगे उसको? आप किधर meet करेंगे? Behind the mirror meet करते हैं, यानी इधर meet कर रहे हैं. This is where we make them meet. Now tell me, where is the image formed? Image is formed, yes, behind mirror. Behind mirror, और ये कौन सा image है? Virtual, direct, and ये बड़ा size है, यानी magnified image. Okay. Now, why are we learning ray diagram जो तुम्हारे portion में नहीं है? Ray diagram पता रहेगा ना, तो ही तुम उसके related numericals या उसके related MCQs solve कर सकते हो. Now, how to remember these ray diagrams? See, the object is coming from infinity and it is coming closer. Notice it. Infinity, beyond C, on C, C and F, on F, between F and P. तो object दूर से नजदीक आ रहा है. As the object is coming near, notice image किधर जा रहा है? F, between F and C, on C, beyond C, image has gone beyond C, infinity and virtually direct and magnified. So जैसे object नजदीक आ रहा है ना, तो तुमको 6 diagrams याद रखने हैं. Infinity, beyond C, infinity, beyond C, on C, between C and F, F and between F and P. अब image का positions क्या क्या याद रखोगे? On F, between C and F, on C, beyond C, and infinity and virtual erect and magnified. तो तुमको 6 डायग्राम्स याद रखने हैं. ऑब्जेक्ट किधर जा रहा है, इमेज किधर जा रहा है. ऑब्जेक्ट नजदीक आ रहा है, इमेज दूर जा रहा है. ठीक है. वंस अगेन तुषार टेल मी, इसके 6 रे डायग्राम्स कौन से हैं? ऑब्जेक्ट का
Object is at infinity.
इंफिनिटी
Object is at far distance.
नहीं, सुनो ऐसे नहीं बोलना. इंफिनिटी, बियॉन्ड सी, ऑन सी, बिटवीन सी एंड एफ, ऑन एफ, बिटवीन एफ एंड पी. चलो बताओ कौन सा ऑब्जेक्ट्स है?
Object is at infinity, beyond C, between C,
इंफिनिटी, बियॉन्ड सी, ऑन सी,
C.
ऑन सी, फिर बिटवीन सी एंड एफ, फिर ऑन एफ, बिटवीन एफ एंड पी. क्लियर विद दिस?
Yes, sir.
अब इमेज किधर जाएगा ध्यान देना. सबसे पहला इमेज एफ पे बना, ऑन एफ, बिटवीन सी एंड एफ,
C and F.
ऑन सी, बियॉन्ड सी, इंफिनिटी, फिर वर्चुअल इरेक्ट. सो अब मैं इधर ही बता रहा हूं. इमेज किधर बना, ऑन एफ, बिटवीन सी एंड एफ, ऑन सी, बियॉन्ड सी, इंफिनिटी, ऑन एफ, बिटवीन सी एंड एफ, ऑन सी, बियॉन्ड सी एंड इंफिनिटी, एंड लास्ट वाला वर्चुअल इरेक्ट एंड मैग्नीफाइड. क्लियर?
Yes, sir.
ऑन द अदर साइड बिहाइंड द मिरर बना है. क्लियर?
Yes,
ओके.
sir.
जैसे ऑब्जेक्ट नजदीक आ रहा है, इमेज दूर जा रहा है. 6 रे डायग्राम्स क्लियर हो गए?
Yes, sir.
ओके. ऑब्जेक्ट नजदीक आ रहा है, इमेज दूर जा रहा है. एट द सेम टाइम द साइज इज इंक्रीजिंग. पॉइंट इमेज diminished, point diminished, same size, magnified, highly magnified, virtual erect and magnified. Now I'll just explain over here. Point image, diminished, same size. C पे बना था, image C पे, image F पे बना था तभी point था, between C and F बना तभी diminished, on C बना तभी same size, इधर magnified, इधर highly magnified, and last में virtual erect and magnified. Okay, so now quickly tell me 6 ray diagrams, 6 positions of object. Object का 6 position बता.
Yes, sir. Object at infinity, beyond C, on C, between C and F, between C and F, and
F and last is
between F and T, F and
very
T.
good. अब image का 6 position बता.
Image
सबसे पहले image किधर बना था?
F and P.
नहीं, पहला image बना था F पे. Image is at F. फिर बाद में
C and F.
फिर
On C.
फिर
C and at infinity.
beyond C, infinity and last is virtual erect. ठीक है, अब size के बारे में बता. What was the size?
Point size.
Point image.
Point image diminished. Highly diminished.
नहीं.
Sorry.
Point image diminished. C वाला diagram
C वाला हाँ same size.
same size. फिर
Magnified.
magnified. फिर
Highly magnified.
magnified. Last में virtual erect and magnified. Clear?
Yes, sir.
ओके अभी तुमने अगर ये 6 तरीके से डायग्राम्स याद रखा ना, जो शॉर्टकट मैंने बताया है, तुम लोग एमसीक्यू में कुछ भी आंसर कर सकते हो. मैच द कॉलम, एमसीक्यूज, ऑब्जेक्टिव्स, वन लाइन आंसर, ये सब में ये 6 रे डायग्राम ऐसे ही याद रखना है. कोई भी क्वेश्चन ये 6 रे डायग्राम्स कहा गया ना, ऑब्जेक्ट का पोजीशंस, इमेज का पोजीशंस, इमेज का साइज, उसको याद रखो. इज दैट क्लियर तुषार?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So next lecture we will be finishing with numericals and convex का एक diagram है, we'll finish that. Okay?
Yes, sir.
हाँ, for during exam time. उस time पे तुम्हारा जो भी practice doubts रहेगा वो भी पूछ लेना.
Yes, sir.
Bye bye.